Hello, everyone. Trust we are doing great today. Once again, I'll be talking about another aspect of treatment which is very important. And we'll be looking at family support in treatment of substance abuse. What I have experienced personally over the years is that family members usually think they really do not have a role to play in treatment. They feel they can just bring the individual who is the client to the facility and then dump him or drop him or her and expect to receive this individual back once we have done the magic, once the work has been done. And I always tell them that uh, these are people, these are, human beings. We are talking about lives here, and they are not like gadgets, that you can give to technician, they will fix it and return it back to you as long as it's working. You don't want to know what they have done. But when it comes to treatment of substance abuse, families' involvement is key. And we are talking about family education. How do you support an individual in their treatment and even post treatment if you are not knowledgeable about what has happened to them or what they are dealing with? Now, the clients spend most of their time in the rehab taking in information. We are teaching them, we are equipping them with skills, about addiction and recovery. And what about their family members? Maybe not at all or minimally. And one of the challenges I have mentioned earlier, number one, they don't think they are needed. Number two, logistics. As much as you know the client is doing well, the family members also have things to do. They also have businesses, they have work to do. And so at the end of the day, they end up probably attending one or two sessions all through the client stay. And so they are not able to have better knowledge about what we are dealing with. And that makes it hard for them to be able to support this individual effectively. So support is not only by making money financially, making money available to the client for their treatment, but we need to understand what addiction is. We need to understand what recovery is, so that little things that can escalate and hinder their recovery journey, we are able to identify them and manage them effectively. So saying this, I'm doing this video for anybody that has people in treatment, or you intend to take your loved one to treatment, to know that your involvement is very, very important. It's not just making payment. It's not just about money. You have to be there physically, for education, to understand what this individual is going through, to understand the nature of what you are dealing with, what is addiction, what is recovery, and even for you to be part of the healing process. So that at the end of the day, when the client leaves the rehab, you are able to support them effectively. So if you have questions, or you need a therapist or a counselor to discuss more of these with you, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you for your time. I'll see you again some other time. And I say bye for now.